Hello everyone! This 12-inch silicon wafer in front of you, coated with a thick layer of photoresist, is exactly the target for our plasma cleaner to tackle. Let's start the experiment. Place the silicon wafer precisely into the cleaning chamber. Close the chamber door, load the specially optimized process, set the matching gas and precise power parameters. As the device powers on, a faint gray glow flickers inside the chamber. Plasma is instantly excited. Swarms of highly reactive particles then bombarded and clean the entire surface of the silicon wafer thoroughly, leaving no corners untouched. The experiment is over. Open the chamber door and take out the silicon wafer. Its surface, once covered with photoresist, is now as smooth as a mirror and spotlessly clean. All organic residues are completely removed, and the surface energy is significantly enhanced, laying a perfect foundation for subsequent processes such as deposition and photolithography. If you are interested in our products, here is our contact information. Feel free to get in touch with us at any time.